Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add bank account on Binance. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. And by the way, if you haven't signed up for a Binance account yet, or even if you do, you can go ahead and click the link below in the description or under the comments. Just click on it, use it, and then you'll be able to earn an exclusive lifetime 20% fee discount and $100 sign-in bonus. Alright, and also it will help support the channel. Now in here, just go ahead and find the three horizontal lines or the Binance app icon. Just tap on it. And once done, go to the top right and tap on the gear icon or settings icon. Okay. In here, you'll have the option under payment. Okay. Under payments, right here, we have payment methods. Just tap on it. And in here, you can go ahead and tap on P2P payment methods. Okay. In here, you could just go ahead and easily tap on add a payment method. Okay, as you can see here, depending on your region, you will have a ton of options. Okay, as you might have noticed, these are payment methods for Philippines. Okay, we have a CIMB, bank transfer, okay, Bank of the Philippines, Banco de Oro, and some other options. Okay, you could also check all payment methods right here. All right, so just go ahead and find your specific bank or payment method. All right, just tap on one. Add in your bank account number, full name, bank branch, which is optional. It'll also your phone number. And then once done, just hit on confirm. And again, there will be simple prompts in here. Just follow it. And once done, you should be good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.